Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a what I got in Jamaica haul for you guys. I'm just going to show you all the things that I was able to get. My family and I went to Montego Bay, Jamaica for Christmas, and it was beyond fun. Like, it was so much fun. It rained for a couple days, but that did not stop us. So I'm just going to show you all the little things that we got. Start off with this shirt. I got this shirt in the downtown shops near Margaritaville. I just love it because it says like no problem. That is their motto there. Seriously, the amount of times that I heard yaman or no problem, I was like, honestly, I didn't know that that was something they really said there. It was just so cool to be a part of their culture and really hear just all their sayings. I feel like they say yaman for kind of if we said okay or that's cool, they respond with that. Love that it says one love, Jamaica, and I really just love this little cross right here. I think it looks really cute and just adds some design. Love this color. This is my favorite color to wear, as I'm sure you guys have noticed, but I just think it fits super well, and a lot of the things were discounted, so it works out really well. Originally, I think this was like 60 something, and I was like, whoa, I'm not paying that for a shirt. But then they dropped it to like 25 or 30, something like that. So it made it worthwhile. I got it for like 30, or actually my dad did, so thank you, Dad. So I didn't have as much time as I would have liked to go clothing shopping. But the other piece that I got, this dress. So I got this in red, and my sister got it in dark blue, so we got matching ones. I just think it's so simple and cute. It has the little bow here. And this is the dress that I wore on Christmas, actually, Christmas Day for our dinner together. I'll show you a picture here of it on, but I just think it looked so nice, and it worked out well because I got it right before Christmas. And this is a small, I'm pretty sure. Oh, medium. I think that their sizes run a lot smaller there. I don't know, but this shirt is a small. Anyways, so this is a small, this is a medium. Worked out well. I think it's so cute. The next things I'm gonna show you are food related type things. All right, so the first thing is this Jamaican Rum Cream. I was not going there expecting to actually buy any of the liquor, but they had free samples when you walked into some of the shops, and they would just give you tastes of them. And so I was like, okay, why not? So I tried it, and it was way better than I actually thought it would be. It kind of tastes like Bailey's or rum chata, stuff like that. It is so good. So this is the kind that I got, just Jamaican Rum Cream. This is the original kind. They also had like Irish cream, peppermint, I don't know, just a bunch of like different versions of this cream as well. I definitely would recommend getting some of theirs just because they're all about the alcohol there for sure, like all about it. And this was $16 each. They had a bunch of different sizes. I didn't need that big of a size, but it's interesting because it was similar to Morocco in the sense that you could bargain down the prices, or the prices weren't always as it was on the sticker. So these ended up being, I think there were 3 for $20 or something like that. 3 for $25, I don't know. But I got one of these, and so this was originally $16, but I did not pay that. So I just thought that this was really good because it was just way better than I thought it was gonna be, seriously. The next couple of things are jerk seasoning. You have to get jerk seasoning when you go to Jamaica. Like, it's the staple of that place, you know? So this is the saucier kind that I got. When I asked him, you know, what is the most authentic version, he said the clerk said this kind just because it's similar to what the island uses. So when you go out to eat, this is kind of similar to what they serve you in the restaurants. And I really liked that because I had it in the restaurants and it was amazing. This one isn't mild. I actually like spicy, like not burning my mouth off spicy, but I do love spice. So I thought this was good. See, it says this one was $18, but I did not pay $18 for this. This was, I think, maybe $10 or $6, I don't know, but it was not $18. Be a person that kind of walks around with you, and they're like, oh, you know, you don't want this, do you want this, do you want that, what are you looking for? And so when we asked them, I found out, because it was similar to Morocco, I'd be like, hey, like, how much really is this? And then they would kind of discount it and drop the price. And then when we went to cash out, the clerk, they would tell the clerk, hey, you know, only charge them this amount for this product, stuff like that. So when I picked up on that, I kind of started asking them about everything, and they dropped the price on everything, which was really nice. So I definitely recommend getting your products in town. This is the dry rub seasoning I got. This one I actually got at the airport when I was on my way out. We got to our gate super fast. So walking around the mall, again, there's just spices everywhere, and I wanted to buy them all. But I got this dry rub one. My boyfriend loves chicken wings and jerk chicken, so I think we're gonna try it on that. But just to have in general, I think it'll be so amazing to try. This one was $6, and it really was $6 in the airport. But like $6 for this container I think it's a pretty good deal. So I definitely had to get some of that. Also at the airport, at the same shop as that, I will show you this clip here, but it's a bunch of little tiny hot sauces, and they range from mild to super hot. And I thought it was a really cool thing to get my stepdad because he really likes hot sauces, and it would just be interesting to try every single little kind and see what they are like. And he can handle a much higher spice than I can, so I just thought that would be a really cool gift for him. Next category of things is kind of weird, but they're like cups, I guess you could say. First cup I'm going to show you is this mug. I really love mugs. I don't know why. I really like that this is a simple like blue marbly color, and then it says One Love Jamaica on it. So it represents, you know, the country, but at the same time it's kind of simple and classy, and I just thought it was pretty cute. This was $24? I don't think so. I did not pay $24 for this. This was seriously like 10 bucks. Like, or no, I think it was $8. It was $8 for this mug. And so, guys, never believe the sticker price in town. It was way worth it. Oh, I love drinking coffee, so this works out really well. The next cup I'm going to show you is this one that I got in Margaritaville. So when we were in Margaritaville, you could get these souvenir cups. This is the cup that came with my drink, so to speak. There were 3 different versions, and each one of us, my brother, my sister, and I, got a different one. So my brother got the blender one, I got this one, and my sister Amanda got the like bigger one. And with the drink, you could keep the cup, and there was also a discount to refill this. You didn't have to pay the original price. There was a discounted price to get refills in these cups instead. So it worked out well. Their motto is it's 5 o'clock somewhere, so that's what this cup says in Margaritaville, Jamaica. It looks super cute. But yeah, I was really excited that we got to keep these. So that's my other cup. Okay, last for the cuppy things, this is the shot glass that I got. These I just collect for all the places that I go. Like I got one from Morocco, even though it wasn't my haul, and I got one from Busch Gardens in Florida, from just everywhere I go. Even my friends that have gone places get me them. Just super nice, but I just like to collect them because they're cheap and they're small, they're easy to travel, and they can represent all the places that I've gone. So like I like this one because it says, or it shows the country on it, and it has some of the main towns that are on it, and it says Jamaica, no problem. And then so right here is where I went in Montego Bay, so I just think that's really cool. I like to get cups that represent where I've been. So like the roller coasters that are on a shot glass and at an amusement park I've went to, or a lot of the monuments that I've been to, you know, stuff like that that really represents where I went. So I like this one because it has the colors and the country on it. So I have this shelf underneath my TV in my living room that I put all of the little shot glasses I have in there. So these I actually got in a set of 3. My sister has the other 2, but these were 3 for $10, I think. And so again, I recommend getting it in town because they are always discounting things there. Okay, next are just a couple little souvenirs that I got. I'm actually really proud of this one. So this is sand that I collected from the beach. So I also, if I can remember and if I have somewhere to put it, I collect sand. So I went down to the beach, put it in a little Ziploc bag, and this is where I did. So I got this little container from Michael's, and I just poured the sand inside. I wrote Jamaica 2019 on it, and topped it off. So this is a cheap little keychain that I got. Where the 3 little rings are where little charms used to be. So I essentially just broke those off and put them inside here. So that's what you can see inside here. I just thought this was a really cute little thing, and then the shells that happen to be in the sand I put on the top as well so that you could see them. But it's just such a cool little memory. Actually, above the shelf that has the shot glasses in them, I have the little containers of sand. So again, I've collected them from Florida, from New Hampshire, from Maine, from a bunch of different places. So I have these all in little containers that I just think are so cute. And I also made one of these for my mom as a gift. It's kind of similar. I put a charm in it and some sand for her, and wrote from Emily and Amanda on the back. So I just thought it's a super cute gift from Jamaica. Kind of similar to that, I also got these little empty DIY ornaments from Michael's. So I'm gonna put the remaining amount of sand that I didn't use for my mom's gift or for mine in here and make it a little ornament to remember. So that I'll write on it Jamaica 2019. And I'll probably put some colors and stuff on it too, just to make it more vibrant. But I think that's a really good idea. And these are really good gift ideas, honestly, because, you know, why not? So these are super cool. So these are little handmade wooden trinkets, I guess you could call them. So this is what I got for my boyfriend. This is a shark one. And so all of these little creatures are handmade, and I had them inscribe his name on it. So his name is on the back here. My sister and I got them for my stepsisters as well. So I don't have them now because I already gave it to them, but I had their names inscribed on it, and we got them a dolphin and a turtle. But they're handmade. They had them all in a bunch of different sizes. I have a little clip of them in one of the Jamaica videos that I have. I just thought these were super cute so that he could have something, because I essentially got him the jerk for him because he really loves the seasoning, the jerk seasoning, but I wanted him to have something that he could actually hold on to from Jamaica. Okay, next are these little keychains that I got. So this is one that I got. I couldn't resist getting two, but this one says Jamaica on it, and it has the Jamaican colors, which I really like. Like when you look at it, you can see that I went there. So I'll probably put this one in my backpack too with my Morocco one. This one I just also thought was cute. This one's a little palm tree where the stem says Jamaica on it. I don't know if you can tell, but these are super easy to get just as souvenirs for people. So I did get some other ones for as gifts for some of my other friends, but I liked these two for myself. At the resort, they were a lot more expensive. This was $10 plus tax at the resort, but in town, these were 3 for $10. It's worth it. And there's like different kinds, like there's nicer keychains and there's like plastic ones. But I definitely did not pay $10 in town for this one. Even though they're the same price on the sticker, I actually paid $10 for this one and did not pay $10 for this one. So save your money where you can. I like to collect them from also the places I've gone. So apparently I collect a lot of things. Keychains, shot glasses, mugs, sand. Okay, moving on. So the last couple things I wanted to show you guys, I got this little ornament from my aunt actually. My aunt gave us these, each one of us in my family that went, and they're just a little picture frame. And I don't know if you can tell, but at the bottom it says Jamaica on it. Oh, I'm trying to get this to focus. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see it. Okay, so this says Jamaica on it, and then this little tag here says 2019. So I'm just gonna put a cute little picture in here, and it can be an ornament for the Christmas trees in years to come. So I just thought that was really nice of her. And then I also got this ornament here. I'll show you guys. This is the one that we got as a family. It says One Love Jamaica, and is a little palm tree too. And I'm gonna write 2019 on it again, just to remember what year we went, in case, you know, we're senile one day or something. But I definitely think this is so cute because we always get a family ornament. But it's pretty cool that we are able to get one from Jamaica this year. So I think that's everything that I got in Jamaica. Thank you guys so much for supporting me in these videos. I will leave the link down below to all 4 videos that are out right now. You can see what I did in Jamaica and where I stayed and the places that I went and all of these things that I got. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that little red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell so that you can get post notifications for when I post a video so that you don't miss out on anything. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!